Hello everyone. I am going to start with one more question today, which was given in NEET 2024 related to logic gates. With continuing the previous topic. I discussed in the previous video like how we can solve the question when the logic circuit is given. But here I am going to discuss how to solve this question when a truth table is given. This is truth table. This truth table is given and they are asking for what is the output y, and there are again two ways to proceed, which I'm going to tell. The most common way is that firstly this time I'm going to tell the easiest way first, and then I will tell the method which we don't want to use. So starting with this, firstly I have to directly put the value and check in the options. So if I put 0 0, what happens in the first option? 0 bar, b is 0, so 0 bar is 1. The first option is 1, so correct. So this is what we need. Second option is b, so b is 0 if I put 0. Third option is a dot b, so 0 dot 0 0 plus 0 bar, that is 1. Then fourth option is like a dot b bar, so 0 dot 0 bar plus 0 bar. So 0 dot anything is 0 plus 1, that is this is equal to 1, and this is also equal to 1. So option B is eliminated straight away. So there are three options. You have to check for combination. I will write here a equal to 0, b equal to 0. So now for combination, now let me check a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So what happens? So first let me check where the output is 1. So if I put this, a is equal to 1 and b is 0. So first option gives me b bar. A is 1 and b is 0. So b bar is 1. So this is okay. The second option is, here three options are coming matching with the y. So the second option is b bar, b. So b is nothing, 0. So this is gone. Second option you are not checking at all. You should not check. So remove this. So third option is a dot b, that is 1 dot 0 plus a bar, that is 1 bar. So this can be seen as like what? 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0. 1 bar is 0, so 0. So this option is eliminated now. Now a dot b bar plus a bar. Again a is 1, b is 0, so b bar is 1 plus a bar. A bar is nothing but 0. So this I can say that 1 into 1 plus 0 is 1. So these two options are matching, the y is 1. So option B, option 2 and 3 are eliminated. So we have to check only two options now. We can check any combination. Let me put a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So output you have to get 0. So first option is b is b bar. So 1 bar is 0. So this matching. This is matching with y. And then second option is not second. I have to check the fourth option. A dot b bar. So a is 0 dot anything is 0. But let me write it for the sake of it. B bar 1 bar plus a bar. A bar is what? 0 bar. So this gives me, this is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So 1. So this is 1. But we have to get 0. So this is wrong. So option 1 is correct. So this is the correct option, that is y is equal to b bar. So this is the option. Option 1 is correct. This is the correct option. So this is how we have to solve this question. Maybe second option you can try and keep it. So this is how there are only 4 possible options. So You have to put it and try and then get the answer. So check it and try. This is the best method. But as I told, there is one more method, but this is little bit complicated here. But I can start with it. How I can start? Just using the Boolean algebra. So as you know, wherever there is a truth table, wherever there is one, you have to check first. So where there is one in two places. So if I write this as a bar, 0 is a bar dot b bar plus a bar 1, sorry, a into b bar. So this I can write as 0 0, this is 1, so and then 1 0, a dot b bar. So this is the output y. You have to write like this. Wherever there is 1, you have to write in this form, SOP form, but that is not required to know, but this is how you have to write it. I am just saying for the sake of it, don't need to know this also. So b bar, if I take common, then it will be a bar plus a. So this is a rule that a bar plus a is 1. Always you can check that a bar plus a is equal to 1 only. So that's why you have to know the Boolean laws here. So I told the method which you don't need to know anything. Simply you have to use the options and substitute. So this is the best method. That this one you can do if you want. You will get B bar as the option. This is the more conventional method. You can say. You can write wherever there is one. For example, let me make it more clear. If you don't know, let me take an simple gate. For example, let me take a NOT gate. What is the truth table? A, B and Y, right? Sorry, there is only one input. So if I take A and Y, A is 0, means output is 1, 1 means 0. So output is 1 and A is 0. So the Y is equal to A bar. So this is a expression for NOT gate, right? So that is how we get the expressions. Like we generally, it is, I don't know whether it is derived or not, but this is how we form an expression for any gate from any truth table. Let me, for the completion, let me derive this as well. So if I take OR gate, truth table A, B and Y. So 0 0 0, it should be 0, 0 1, it should be 1, 1 1 0, it should be 1, 1 1 1, it should be again 1. So there are 3 ones, there are 3 ones, right? Yes. There are 3 ones, so I can write the expression as A is 0, so A bar dot B plus A dot B bar plus A plus A dot B. So this is an expression we get. So as you all know that the expression for OR gate, let me write it here, OR gate, Y is equal to A dot A plus B, right? So now this is the expression we got. We have to reduce it. So again we have to use a Boolean laws here. The first thing we can find out is we can take A common out here in the second expression, A common out. If I take then B bar plus B, what I'll get? B bar plus B, as I discussed, is 1. This is a property. So A dot 1. So now A dot B plus A. Now again there is one more property, that is a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. I am leaving this derivation as an exercise, so that is how we simplify it as well. We don't need, for class 12, you don't need to go into Boolean algebra level. These are not required, but for just the completion, I wanted to take an example and show you what happens. If I take, let me take AND gate. This is a final. I don't want to take more time here. 0, 0, it is 0. 0, 1, it is going to be 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, it is going to be 0. 1, 1, it is going to be 1. So only one expression. This is simple, right? This is simple. So a dot b, as I mentioned earlier, so directly we can get the expression. Only one output is 1. So that is how we do it. Rest of the gates, it is an exercise if you want, or I don't want to tell to do it, but for the time being this is sufficient. And going back to the question, the actual method of solving such, when a truth table is given and they are asking to find the output, is that you have to substitute the value of a and b and then check the output and put in the options, eliminate the options and do it. This is a better method because we don't need to remember anything for such this method. Only reason I'm telling it. And I'm going to stop here, and thank you.